and gentlemen, you are in luck today. I'm going to share with you 3 penny stocks that have a huge potential, and I think these are better than a lot of altcoins in the crypto market. These stocks actually have a use case and they're profitable, but they're penny stocks because there's a lot of weight from the overall market on top of these penny stocks. And not every penny stock works, but if you want to make a lot of money, you have to also search for stocks that are beat down, but they have a lot of potential. And I'm going to share with you these 3 stocks here, and I think they have a lot of potential. And I personally invested almost $20,000, I believe, between $17,000 and $20,000 in these 3 stocks. And they have a huge potential. So let's start with the first one, and this is my favorite because I actually have a lot of shares in this stock, almost $10,000 in this stock, and this is the Real. It's actually sitting at $2.84 when I'm making this video, right? Pre-market. And if we look at the financials of this company, but first, before we begin with the financials, let me explain to you what this company is. Well, this is actually luxury brands website. It sells luxury brands. Now, we know when people don't have money, just like now, there's no way they're going to buy luxury. Everybody's saving money. That's the whole idea of hiking interest and shrinking the economy, so people don't have money to spend like they did in 2020. But because of that, this stock has got beat down, not because of the current revenue. Look at the revenue, guys. From 2019, 2020, they actually doubled in sales or revenue, and their cost of revenue didn't even increase as much. Okay, so this is a profitable company. But even with that, guys, the stock got beat down. So when you're looking for value stocks, you're looking at profitable companies or coming out of profit, low margin, because that's what it means when a company has low margins. It means they're going to be profitable someday, and that's what we're betting on here when we're buying penny stocks. We're betting on the performance, but also the future of that specific stock. So this stock opened, Real, because I have 3 stocks I'm going to share with you here. This stock has fair value at the moment. The float is 85 million. 85 million for such performance in financials. A stock that's valued at $2.80 with a good use case. I mean, that's no brainer, right? That's no brainer, guys, to snap up and add to your portfolio. They sell used goods. I'm sure a lot of you in the US have heard of them because they have bricks and mortars as well. It's not just a website. They actually have shops that resell designers, and designers always have huge margin. So this is one of the penny stocks that I'm actually holding 3,000 shares of. But also, if you look here, it has 10%, 12% short interest on a 85 million float. Okay, so that's what's available for the public. And this stock is also held by Michael Burry. He's famous for The Big Short. So let's move away from this. This is at least 100% return on this trade, guys. All right, if we look at the data and the charts, which I'm not going to bother with because I don't look at charts anymore, this is at least 100% return stock. Let's move on to Farfetch. Something a lot of you probably understand, which is similar to this, the Real. Farfetch, also 2019, they actually doubled in value revenue-wise in 2022. But their operating or the cost of revenue has increased. So they need to do something there. But the potential is still there. This is similar to the Real in the same conditions that it has gotten beat down as a result of people not having any money. So as an investor, your future thinking needs to come in and say, well, they're going to have money once the economy restarts again, because that's what we're trading and that's what we're buying for, is for the good days of the economy, which is, by the way, coming very soon because we're now coming out slowly from the gloom and doom. That's one stock. Another stock that's based on this concept that when the economy returns, sales will return, is Opendoor Technologies. All of these stocks were at $80 and $50 in 2022. But as I said, they got beat down as a result of the projection that people won't have any money and revenue will not stay the same. But these stocks are actually performing well, but they're still not growing in value because there is weight on top of them by the overall market. So here we go. Open Door Technologies. Open Door Technologies is an online company that buys and sells residential real estate. It's in San Francisco. And I think that's a great use case because real estate has taken a halt. But real estate, guys, restarts when everybody needs a home. So you will find that this specific project will actually do well once we come out of this inflation zone and interest rates start coming down. As a result, as interest rates come down, this stock is also bound to double in value, if not triple in value. And we can also look at the financials. The financials show us, wow, this is great, right? Also tripled in value since 2019, 2022. But now, of course, the value that investors are projecting is going to be lower. And we understand that's a possibility, which is why the stock is at $3.60 to factor in the projections. But what if the projections are suddenly coming out to be higher than or better than what investors are projecting? Well, surely we're going to see a reversal in that stock. However, their cost of revenue is actually not great here. So they need to work on their cost here and lower it for this stock to start seeing some potential. But even regardless of the actual financials of these three stocks, these stocks will gain in value regardless, right? And I'm telling you this with confidence because as interest rates come down and as we see money circulating in people's hands, these stocks will benefit automatically because they got beat down. They're not actually valued at the correct value, you can say, in comparison to their financials. They're just put down because the overall market is pushing them down. So these are the three stocks I'm holding, guys. These three penny stocks. I believe they have a lot of potential. And you can do your own research. Of course, my bets might be different than other people's bets. You don't believe in what I believe in. And that's what makes you a great investor, is that you have to believe in your positions and you have to believe in the use case. You have to believe in your own hypothesis. And belief turns into money. So I'll see you guys in the next video. If you want similar videos to these, breaking down some trades that I have open. And I don't know when this trade will come to life, right? I mean, we project $20,000 to $30,000 return. But if I hold out till, we have a bull market, you're talking a lot of money because the highs in these stocks is outrageous. And we know these stocks can achieve figures just by looking at previous historical data. Okay, so that's me done, guys. I'll see you very soon. Appreciate you for watching. Smash that like button. And by the way, before I leave, you might want to check out the link in the description. This is the only way to get access to me now privately, exclusive access to my portfolio, and you will see all my trades ahead of time. So you don't see them here on YouTube when it's too late. Okay, that's me done, guys. I'll see you very soon, and I appreciate you watching. Blah, blah, blah. Bye. See you guys. Now, how do we get out from this thing? There it is.